Next problem, it's given where we have to realize the direct form, and also cascade form for the given function, that is h of z 1 plus 3 by 4 z inverse plus 17 by 8 z raised to minus 2 plus 3 by 4 z raised to minus 3 plus z raised to minus 4. This is the, here the equation is in terms of a frequency domain or else in a z domain, z transform equation. Okay, here first what you have to do, take the equation and write in terms of y of z is equals to, we know that this equation h of z into x of z, same thing represent x of z multiplied with the x of z, then x of z is to be multiplied for each of the parameters. Okay, then you will be getting the equation for y of z as y of z x of z plus 3 by 4 x z inverse x of z plus 17 by 8 z inverse z raised to minus 2 x of z plus 3 by 4 z raised to minus 3 into x of z plus z raised to minus 4 x of z. Like this we will be getting. Then take the inverse z transform. If I take inverse z transform, I will be getting as x of n plus 3 by 4 x of n minus 1, 17 by 8 x of n minus 2, 3 by 4 x of n minus 3, then x of n minus 4. The coefficient values, whatever it's there here, coefficient means the constant values what we have here, it is 1, here it is of 3 by 4, here it is of 17 by 8, here 3 by 4, here it is 1. B0 is going to be taken as first coefficient 1, B1 as 3 by 4, B2 as 17 by 8, B3 as 3 by 4 and B4 as 1. The direct form is very easy compared to the other forms. After getting B0 to the, what is the extent it's given, okay, based on that B4, B0 to B4 it's given, then represent in a general equation. Here what is general equation, observe here, h of 0 we have to write h of 1, 2, 3 up to m minus 1 and delay the function. The same thing if I represent, I will be getting the equation here as, not equation, the realization of direct form, that is x of n delaying with 1 unit. Here you will be getting as x of n minus 1, here you will be getting as, here x of n minus 2, here x of n minus 3, here x of n minus 4. Okay, then write the coefficient values b0, b1, b2, b3, then add all these things, you will be getting your output y of n. This is what a direct form. Okay, next they asked for to find the cascade form. Here it's second order cascade form. The general equation is going to be taken as h of z is equals to h1 of z up to, it's continuing up to hk of z. Okay, next here the maximum order is of 2, 4, maximum order is of 4, so that I can divide into 2. For that reason taken as h1 of z into h2 of z. How it's going to be 4? Remember what is the maximum power I am going to get here. What is the maximum power? Okay, based on this I can find the order. Okay, then I can, if it is of 4, I can take as order 2 and order 2, then I can cascade of those. For that reason here it is taken as k as h1 of z into h2 of z. Take k as 1 and 2. Here for 1, remember I already told you have to remember the cascade form equation. Observe here, here it is given bk0, bk1, bk2. We want this. For that reason k value is taken as 1 and 2, represent k as 1, 0, then b 1 1, b 1 2. If I am going for k as 2 means b20, 21 and 22. Here it's going to be changing. The same thing here I wrote in the equation. For k is equals to 1, the equation is going to be b10, b11, b12, z inverse z raised to minus 2. Here also for 2, b20, b21, z inverse, b22, z raised to minus 2. Then multiply each parameter with b10 with b20, then again b1 with the next, again the next. After this I'll be taking the equation, then again with the first, again with this, again the last term with the second term, then again the third for each. Okay, then I'll be, after multiplying, after rearranging, I will be getting the equation are like this: b10, b20, b10, b21 plus b11, b20, z inverse, b10, b22 plus b11, b21 plus b12, b20, z raised to minus 2. Like this it's going to be. Rearrange the terms in terms of wherever you will get z inverse, z raised to minus 2, z raised to minus 3, z raised to minus 4. Okay, you'll be getting this. Okay, after this the coefficient you have to consider here b1021, then the whole, this is one coefficient, again here one more coefficient, here and this. These coefficient values I can get from the equation, where the equation given, the first coefficient is 1, then 3 by 4, 17 by 8, 3 by 4 and 1. The same thing here it is taken. First coefficient is taken as 1, second as 3 by 4 and the whole 17 by 8, then 3 by 4 and then 1. On solving, this is the linear equation. I hope you know about how to solve this. After solving this, you will be getting the coefficient values for b10, b11 as 1 by 2, b12 as 1, b20 as 1, b21 as 1 by 4, b22 as 1. Okay, after getting this, just represent the coefficient values in the h of z equation. So b10 I can write as 1 plus 1 by 2 z inverse plus 1 z raised to minus 2. This is finished. Then go for the second. Here b20 is 1, again 1 here, b21 is 1 by 4, 1 by 4 z inverse, then here b22 1, here it is as z raised to minus 2. Then here we will get two equation, two cascade forms like this. From this I can write what is my x1 of z and also what is my h2 of z. After this is general cascade form. This is one and this is one more. This is h1 of z, this is h2 of z. Here b10, b11, b12 delay functions, just multiply with delay functions with a coefficient. This will become one cascade form. In the same way the other, here it is going to be coefficient b20, b21, b22. Okay, this is one cascade form problem. Okay, this cascade form it can also be represented one more form as like this. The same delay function here, instead of writing here I am writing here same. Okay, here instead of here, sorry, from delaying, same thing, coefficient values are going to be written b10, b11, b12, here also b20, b21, b22. Okay, the same thing, cascading again in one cascade form and another cascade form. You will be getting your input as x of n and you will be getting the output y of n. Okay, problems are important, practice this.